When I was a freshman, I took Oceanus with Dr. Reif as a freshman class.
The trip that we took was wonderful because it merged the best things about biological research with some of the best things about teaching.
And then the ending trip was this whale trip.
The trip was 8 years ago in February.
It was one of those opportunities that I couldn't let it slip through my fingers.
The unique thing about this particular trip was it was the first time that U.S. students were invited along on this kind of research trip in Mexico.
If we spotted a whale, which was one of our main jobs, we were all up on the deck, eyes peeled for any sort of evidence of a mammal, if you will.
So we were taking a number of kind of data, because when you get the opportunity to work with these large mammals, it's so rare that there were a number of things going on.
If you're just in a regular kayak or a whale watching boat and you see a whale, the captain is not allowed to steer the boat towards the whale. You have to let them come to you.
The most exciting part was we would join Dr. Urban on a smaller panga, about 3 or 4 students at a time, when a blue whale was spotted.
We had special permission because we were trying to get biological samples to pursue the whales.
He would actually stand on the bow with a crossbow that had a hollow-tipped arrow in it and shoot it into the blue whales.
He was basically taking about an inch small sample. It was less than a centimeter in diameter, less than an inch long.
And it was more like a mosquito bite for them.
And then what they did is they took that back to their labs and they could see if it was a gestating female, whether it was a male, rough estimated age, what type of food they were eating, whether they were healthy, all that type of stuff just from that small sample.
The trip was very successful. I think everybody really had a good time on the trip.
So it was one of those college experiences for me that it really took me from being a young college student to really becoming a mature young adult and kind of experiencing college, experiencing research, giving me kind of that real world view. It was definitely a maturing situation for me.